Nate said that he wanted to drive a tractor to tractor pull. And I won't go into all of the details of his circumstances right now, but ladies and gentlemen, the Make-A-Wish Foundation has been brought in. And here tonight, to introduce our tractor pull for Saturday night in Cape Giradeau, none other than Mr. Nate Pritchard, driving the AgXplore Remedy. This tractor is coming in at 2,500 horsepower. This is going to be one you're going to definitely want to watch. Nate Pritchard, you've got the green flag. Let's see what you got here at Cape Giradeau on a Saturday night.